Hi, I'm Win from REMAX CondoDee, and today we go to Sukhumvit Soy 31. Soy 31, also called as Savadi, Soy Savadi. Savadi in Thai means hello, and this is one of the most prestigious soys in Bangkok central business area. It's very long. It starts here in Sukhumvit Road, and it continues more than 2 kilometers up to Pechaburi Road. There are many small subsoils, and that soy is very popular. There are many prestigious condominiums located here, both high-rise and low-rise. In our recent videos, some of you asked to continue our series about low-rise condominiums in Bangkok. So today we go to see some nice condominiums in Sukhumvit 31. And today I decided to show you something new that we never showed before. After visiting Condo, I stopped by in this very nice Thai restaurant near condominium. It will be quite a long trip, and we will monitor how long we go. I will show you all the way from Sukhumvit Road until the condominium. I think it will be interesting, exciting. We work very hard to show you some nice projects and condominiums in Bangkok, so that you can stay at home and enjoy videos without going to Bangkok or going to work during these pandemic times. We would like you to show your appreciation by pushing the like button and by subscribing to our channel. The best way to push notification button. If you have any specific questions or you are interested in some property in Bangkok, contact us. You can see our contact details here on the screen. We will be more than happy to give you some free consultation or to recommend you some nice properties in Bangkok based on your requirements. Let's go see Sukhumvit Soy 31 from Sukhumvit main road until some nice low-rise condominiums a little bit deeper in quiet area. Let's go. we come to condominium via 31 that was constructed by Sansiri public company that is considered as a top developer in Bangkok. This low-rise condominium was built in 2012, and interesting, it has 8 floors and 88 apartments. 888, that is considered as a good number. So 88 apartments, 1 to 3 bedroom, maximum like 120 square meter, minimum size is 45 square meter. Very nice, quiet location. It took me less than 10 minutes to walk from Sukhumvit road until here, so it's a good walk, not so far, quiet location, and prices here 40 to 50% above average prices in Bangkok, both for sale and for rental. Again, low rise, nice quiet location, quite close to main Sukhumvit road, in a quiet area between Asok and Rompong. Let's go see facilities of this condominium. Today I decided to show you something new that we never showed before. After visiting Condo, I stopped by in this very nice Thai restaurant near condominium in Sukhumvit, Soi 31.